The basics of how to use the Biosand filter. It's important to use the clearest water available. Be sure to get it from the same source every time. Use one container for collecting water and a different one for the filtered water. If the water is very cloudy, settle the dirt before pouring it into the filter. Always pour water through the diffuser. There should be no reason to remove it unless you are cleaning the Biosand filter. Never put anything in the reservoir except water. The reservoir at the top will hold 12 liters of dirty water. That's about 1 bucket. You'll see the water start to flow out of the tube. Make sure the container catching the filtered water is always clean. It'll take about 1 hour for the water to flow through the filter. You'll need to let the Biosand filter rest for several hours before pouring in each bucket of water. My best advice is to pour 1 bucket of water in at each meal: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then one last one before bed. That's 4 buckets, which is about 1 every 6 hours. Be sure to pour at least 1 bucket of water in the filter every day. Otherwise, the biolayer could die. If the biolayer dies, the Biosand filter will not work. Once you are finished filtering the water, it's time to disinfect it to make sure it's totally safe to drink. There are different ways to disinfect your water, such as chlorine, sodas, and boiling. Talk to the person who installed your filter to help you decide which way will work best for you. Now you know the basics of how to use the Biosand filter.